Well, it's time, boys. It's been a while, but maybe I can finally do something. Actually, first thing first, let's turn off the computer, you know. That's pretty smart. Well, you know what to do. Take out that computer down here. Alright. There it is. I'm probably gonna move the camera. Also, make sure to, you know, hold the power button to release any charge. You don't want us to make anything spark. Well, awesome. Now we can move on. Take off that panel. Don't want to come off. Holy. Alright. Moving on. Ignore the dust. And take off the metal backplate on this thing. Before proceeding, take off your, holy, that's hot, PSU cable. You might have to wiggle a little bit. It can be kind of hard to take off at times. Then, you can take off the screws for on the GPU. Come on, buddy. I don't have all day. Don't immediately pull it out. That's a big bad idea. You see the little thing. When you do this, you want to reach for the little tab at the end down there. I'm just gonna light it up more. This little thing right there. And push it down. It may be under your GPU if it's huge, but it shouldn't be if you have a small one like this one. And then after that, try not to burn yourself if it's been running for a while, but just pull it out. And there you go. GPU removed. While you're in here, you can make sure to just like remove any dust or something. This might fix any problems you might have with, especially in the PCIe slot, of the monitor not showing any output. So, yeah, pretty much. And installing it back in again. So there's no dust in there. Like this. Same slot as it was in before. If I can see it, that is. Be careful, make sure it's lined up. Do not put it in. Like, just leave it on there hanging. Very bad idea. Again, it is going to be a little bit hot if you've been using it for a while. Put on the screws. Put that cable back on. Put that back metal plate back on. And that's how you install it. Any questions? Leave it in the comments. And subscribe and like, as others say. In the bottom, there's also some referral links to Amazon of what GPU this is. An RS 580 gaming at 8 GB. That helps out the channel.